Inside us, there is a house, great and mighty as a stone, that thunders for more. More beauty to be seen, more lives to touch, more souls to feed. There is a yearning for more, to just pick up that passport and go.
My name is Peggy Shangwa.
So my name is Bart.
Hello, my name is Rebecca.
Hi, my name is Kel.
Hi, my name is Shirley.
Hi, my name is Rachel.
I'm going to be doing the DTS and I'm pretty excited to be on board for this. It's starting on the 19th of June and I know that through the lecture phase, the internship phase and the outreach phase, so much of my character is going to be molded and it's going to be so amazing because this is # game changers. So I really hope that you can come join me.
DTS is the best decision that I've ever made for my life. During DTS, God has been teaching me about His unconditional love for me and His grace. And during this time, I've gotten to know myself and I've gotten to know God at a deeper level than I could have ever imagined before.
I'm actually at the end of my DTS, or Discipleship Training School. It's been a really, really hard but wonderful thing. A lot of the things I've learned through it are actually very basic things like how to understand God's love for you and honestly how to forgive yourself and others. So I would very much encourage you, if you have any hurt in your life or anything that you need to work through with God, do a DTS.
Greetings! Transformation Africa is going to be hosting the African Encounter Gap Year Program, YWAM DTS, 6 months that will revolutionize your life. Starting on the 19th of June, plug in and see what God is doing in the nation of Zimbabwe.
DTS
2018.
Harare, Zimbabwe.
See you there!